Alright. Showing me a video of the boat.
Yeah.
We got Jerry right here.
Uh-huh.
Capitan.
So you're the first in. How many will fit behind you?
Like here. We're gonna walk down here. Kevin and Kathy.
Hey.
Say hi to Megan.
Hi, Megan.
Hola.
Hola.
Megan.
There you go.
Why is she here?
Huh?
Why is she here?
I was wondering.
I told she got busted last night. I said no, you ain't coming today. Oh shoot, that's on camera. Shit.
You got caught.
All right. This is the inside. This is Lori doing dishes.
Hi, Megan.
So this is the aft cabin, which is where when they take us out, we'll be sleeping here. We got 2 bathrooms, one here. And then up forward, we got a full kitchen.
The galley.
A galley. Galley.
Come on now.
Galley.
Engineer.
I know, I design these things for a living.
Come on.
And here's the master stateroom, which also has a bathroom. And that's it.